Have you ever felt that there's more to life than what meets the eye? Like we're all connected in ways that science hasn't yet fully explained? What if I told you that the secrets of the universe, the mysteries of spirituality, and the cutting-edge discoveries of quantum physics all come together in ways that will blow your mind? Buckle up, because in today's video, we're diving deep into the jaw-dropping intersection of quantum physics and spirituality. We'll uncover how ancient spiritual beliefs and modern science might just be talking about the same thing. But wait, stick around to the end, because I'm saving the most mind-bending connection between quantum physics and spirituality for the finale. You don't want to miss it. Now, before we jump into these incredible ideas, if you love exploring the mysteries of the universe and want more videos that challenge your view of reality, hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, you won't want to miss the next revelation. Let's unravel the secrets together. Let's start with quantum physics, perhaps the most mind-boggling area of modern science. You might have heard of terms like entanglement and superposition, but what do they really mean? And how do they shake the foundations of what we thought we knew about the world? At the core of quantum physics is the idea that at the subatomic level, particles behave in ways that defy classical physics. They can be in two places at once or entangled with another particle, no matter how far apart they are. These ideas challenge everything we thought we knew about space, time, and reality. Take superposition, for instance. This principle suggests that particles can exist in multiple states at the same time. They only choose a position when they're observed. Yeah, it sounds like something out of science fiction, but it's been repeatedly proven in experiments. The observer effect, as it's called, suggests that consciousness plays a role in shaping reality. Does that mean our thoughts have the power to influence the physical world? Sounds a bit like something spiritual, doesn't it? Hold on to that thought, because we're going to come back to it later. But first, here's something to blow your mind even further: quantum entanglement. Before we dive into entanglement, take a second to drop a comment below. What's the craziest scientific concept you've heard of? I want to know what sparked your curiosity about the universe. Let's get a conversation started in the comments. And if you're enjoying this journey so far, make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the mysteries of life. Alright, so what is entanglement? In the simplest terms, entanglement is when two particles become linked, meaning whatever happens to one particle instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are, whether they're an inch apart or light years across the galaxy. Sound familiar? Spooky action at a distance, as Einstein put it. But get this connection doesn't rely on the usual rules of physics. It's instantaneous, faster than the speed of light. Physicists are still trying to figure out exactly how this is possible, but some say it points to the existence of deeper layers of reality, hidden dimensions or energies that we haven't yet detected. It suggests that everything is somehow interconnected. Now pause for a moment and think about that. This brings to mind spiritual teachings that go back thousands of years. Many spiritual traditions, from Hinduism's concept of Brahman to the Buddhist idea of interconnectedness, and even indigenous wisdom, have long taught that everything in the universe is connected. Could quantum entanglement be the scientific key to proving this ancient spiritual wisdom? It makes you think. If that just gave you goosebumps, you're not alone. Smash that like button if you're feeling the connection, pun intended, and share this video with someone who you think needs to hear this. We're just getting started, and it's about to get even deeper. Now let's talk about the observer effect. This is where things get really wild. In quantum physics, particles don't seem to decide on their state until they're observed. This suggests that consciousness plays a role in determining what reality looks like. Could our thoughts, our awareness, actually shape the world around us? Sound familiar? Spiritual traditions have been teaching this concept for centuries. In many spiritual philosophies, consciousness is considered to be the ultimate creator of reality. Think about meditation practices, manifestation techniques, or prayer. Spiritual teachings have long told us that our thoughts and intentions shape our experiences. Now it seems like quantum mechanics is pointing in a similar direction. Is it just a coincidence, or are we starting to see the lines between science and spirituality blur? What do you think? Does the observer effect prove that our minds have power over reality? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video to spark some seriously deep conversations with your friends. Let's spread the word about this mind-bending connection between science and spirit. Parallel realities. Is the multiverse spiritual? Let's take this to the next level. If quantum physics already challenges our perception of space and time, then what about the idea of parallel realities or the multiverse? Quantum theory suggests that every possible outcome of a quantum decision could result in the creation of a new reality or universe. That means, in some dimension, there's a universe where you made a different choice and a different reality played out. Now, think about how many spiritual traditions talk about alternate realities or planes of existence. Hinduism speaks of many realms of existence. Buddhism mentions different states of consciousness. And even Christianity has ideas about heaven and hell, alternate realities for the soul. Could the multiverse theory and quantum physics be science's way of explaining these spiritual dimensions? Some physicists even suggest that what we call the spiritual realm might actually be alternate dimensions that exist right alongside our own, but on a frequency we can't yet perceive. What if things like intuition, déjà vu, or even spiritual experiences are our glimpses into these parallel dimensions? Have you ever had an experience that made you question whether we're living in just one reality? Let me know in the comments below, and while you're there, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. This journey is just getting started, and I want you along for the ride. Ancient spiritual wisdom science catching up. Okay, we've seen how quantum physics seems to resonate with spiritual concepts, but here's the kicker. Many of these ideas aren't new. Spiritual traditions from every corner of the world have been talking about these same concepts for millennia. Let's take the Hindu belief in Brahman, the ultimate reality that connects everything. This idea closely mirrors the quantum theory of a connected universe, where every particle is somehow entangled. Or think about the Buddhist concept of emptiness, where there is no independent self, only interconnected parts of a whole. Quantum physics is now suggesting that, at a subatomic level, the separations we see between things might just be an illusion. Even indigenous cultures often talk about a web of life where every being is connected. These teachings are eerily close to what quantum mechanics is now revealing about our universe. So what's going on here? Is it possible that science is just catching up to what spiritual leaders and philosophers have known all along? Is the cutting-edge research in quantum physics the missing puzzle piece that links science with spirituality? The ultimate connection, the power of consciousness. Now, as promised, here's the biggest mind-bender of all. We've talked about quantum entanglement, the observer effect, and how these echo ancient spiritual beliefs, but there's an even deeper connection we haven't touched on yet, the role of consciousness in creating reality. In spiritual practices, consciousness has always been seen as the core of creation. Whether it's the Atman in Hinduism, the mind in Buddhism, or even the soul in Western traditions, consciousness is the source. Now, quantum physicists are grappling with the same idea, that consciousness may be fundamental to the universe itself. What if everything we experience, the physical world, time, space, and even matter itself, exists because we're conscious of it? Could it be that the universe is not just a physical construct, but a conscious one? That consciousness is the missing link between quantum physics and spirituality. That's the mystery we're all still trying to solve, and maybe, just maybe, it's one that connects us all. And there you have it, quantum physics and spirituality, two seemingly separate worlds, now converging in ways we could have never imagined. So, what do you think? Is the universe conscious? Are we all connected through some deeper energy, as both science and spirituality suggest? Drop your comments below. I can't wait to hear your theories. If this video made you question reality just a little bit, make sure you give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who love thinking outside the box, and hit that subscribe button for more mind-expanding content. Until next time, stay curious, stay connected, and remember, there's more to this universe than meets the eye.
Thank you for watching Think Wiser. If this video resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on the wisdom that shapes our universe. Stay curious and continue exploring the depths of knowledge with us. See you in the next video.